New AI Pin device replaces your smartphone. Hands-on spoiler. My phone laughed. Then overheated. The promise whispers like a digital siren song. Ditch your smartphone. Escape the endless scroll. Reclaim your attention span and interact with the world naturally. That's the radical vision behind the Humane AI Pin. A $699 plus $24/month subscription. Wearable brooch that boldly aims to render your pocket supercomputer obsolete. After a week with this tiny titanium square magnetically fused to my chest like a rejected Star Trek prop, I can confidently report the future is fascinating, occasionally functional, and currently smells faintly of singed cotton. Buckle up. First contact. Minimalism meets mild confusion. Unboxing the AI Pin feels like receiving a piece of alien minimalist art. It's dense, credit card-sized, and crafted with undeniable precision. The main unit clips magnetically to a separate battery booster, which then clamps onto your clothing. Attaching it is satisfyingly futuristic, a solid thunk, and you're adorned. The initial setup is surprisingly smooth via a smartphone app, irony noted, involving Wi-Fi, account creation, and a software update that felt suspiciously like downloading patience. Powering it on? A gentle chime, a subtle constellation of white lights dance across its surface, and silence. Blissful, notification-free silence. This intentional passivity is core to Humane's philosophy. Tech should be ambient, invisible, summoned only when needed. No dopamine-triggering buzzes. Just you and the world. Or, as I quickly discovered, you, the world, and the sudden urge to talk to your own collarbone in public. The interface. Lasers, jazz hands, and whispers. Forget touchscreens. The AI Pin scoffs at rectangles. Its interface is pure sci-fi theater. 1. The laser ink projector, the wow factor. Tilt your palm toward your chest, and a monochrome green laser projects a basic UI onto your hand. Time, notifications, weather, simple icons. It's undeniably cool, like summoning a ghostly dashboard from thin air. Reality check. Direct sunlight? Forget it. The projection vanishes like a vampire at dawn. Even indoors, it requires a precise, slightly awkward palm angle. Trying to discreetly check the time mid-conversation makes you look like you're contemplating a mystical hand-reading ritual. Comedy moment. Attempting this while holding a coffee resulted in a jittery, caffeine-fueled light show resembling a possessed Etch-a-Sketch. 2. Voice commands. Your sternum does the talking. Tap and hold the pin. Speak your desire. Release. Hey Humane, what's the capital of Bhutan? Hey Humane, set a timer for pizza. Hey Humane, translate my hovercraft is full of eels into Icelandic. Voice recognition is decent in quiet spaces. Responses emanate clearly from a speaker near your clavicle. Private enough? Not really. Asking for the nearest restroom becomes a group announcement. Whispering feels like sharing state secrets with your shirt. Hilarity ensued. Requesting a complex dinner recipe in a breezy park yielded. Finding recipes for windy squirrel lasagna. Culinary innovation, indeed. 3. Gesture control. The invisible touch. Wave your hand left/right or up/down near the pin to navigate menus or adjust volume. It can work with Jedi-like finesse. More often, you resemble someone desperately shooing away an invisible wasp swarm. Mastering the subtle wrist flick takes practice, often ending in public displays of interpretive tech frustration dance. The AI brain, clever, but context is king. Powered by a cocktail of Humane's OS and OpenAI's models, like GPT-4, the Pin aspires to be a contextual genius. It can answer questions, Impressively broad knowledge, acting like a chest-mounted Wikipedia. Summarized emails. Connect your inbox and it reads summaries aloud. Hearing, urgent. Your cat's vet bill is overdue. Booming from your bosom adds a unique layer of existential dread to your day. Identify objects. The what is this? Gamble double tap to activate the camera. Point ask. Point at your sandwich. This appears to be a turkey and Swiss cheese sandwich on rye bread. Not bad. Point at your colleague Dave. This is likely a human male exhibiting signs of mild caffeine deficiency. Thanks, Pin. Dave wasn't amused. Handle calls and messages. Sound quality is acceptable, but holding a conversation via your Sternum speaker is fundamentally bizarre. Dictating messages works, but lacks the speed or nuance of typing. The privacy elephant. A camera and mic always live on your chest. Humane insists on privacy by design. Local processing, no always listening. But the feeling of constant surveillance is palpable. Trust, but maybe we're a lead vest? Why your smartphone is chuckling into its charger. The replaces your smartphone claim. It crashes headfirst into the brick wall of 2024 practicality. 1. The subscription sting. $24 per month is a hefty toll for features largely free elsewhere. Basic AI assistance, cloud storage. Paying extra to beta test the future feels optimistic. 2. Speed and connectivity woes. It's slow. Responses lag noticeably. Asking for directions yields verbal instructions or a link sent to your phone. Need a map? A photo? To quickly share a meme? Buy concert tickets? Scroll social media? Read an article? All impossible. The lack of a screen isn't liberating. It's crippling for 90% of daily digital tasks. 3. The thermonuclear chest emblem. No joke, this is the deal breaker. During sustained use, particularly using the camera, projector, or complex AI queries, the AI pin gets hot. Alarmingly, is this a safety hazard? Hot. Mine triggered overheating warnings multiple times. One prolonged navigation request outdoors left it feeling like a forgotten pocket warmer set to Inferno. My t-shirt bore a faint, warm imprint. Consider this your official warning. The AI pin doubles as a personal space heater / branding iron. Where layers, thick ones. 4. Battery anxiety, amplified. The main unit lasts 3 to 4 hours tops with moderate use. The booster clips extend this, but swapping them feels archaic. You become a walking power grid, constantly managing hot swappable batteries. Forget a carefree day out. 5. The what problem does this solve? Conundrum. Does it meaningfully reduce screen time? You still interact constantly via voice / gesture, just less efficiently. Does it make you more present? Constantly talking to your chest and waving at your palm arguably makes you more distracted. Is it truly private? Debatable perception. Is it convenient? Emphatically not. Verdict. A glorious prototype, not a pocket revolution. The Humane AI Pin is a breathtaking piece of conceptual hardware and audacious engineering. It's a fascinating, flawed glimpse at a possible post-smartphone future. The laser projection is magical when visible. The ambition to make tech invisible is noble. But does it replace your smartphone in 2024? Absolutely, unequivocally not. It's more accurately a highly specialized, incredibly expensive companion gadget that still relies on your smartphone for setup, connectivity, and doing anything actually useful beyond niche queries and notifications. It's the tech equivalent of replacing your car with a unicycle equipped with rocket boosters. Theoretically possible for very short, specific trips, wildly impractical, slightly dangerous, and guaranteed to draw bewildered stares for daily life. The crippling lack of a screen, the glacial speed. The subscription fee, the battery juggling, and the scorching thermal performance are fundamental flaws in its current incarnation. Should you buy it? Only if 1. You possess deep pockets and a deeper love for bleeding-edge tech theater. 2. You enjoy being a walking tech support question. What I ask that thing? 3. You have a high tolerance for frustration and minor chest burns. 4. You view your smartphone with genuine, screen time-induced hatred and seek any escape, however imperfect. The final bite. The Humane AI Pin isn't the smartphone killer. It's a provocative prototype, a conversation starter strapped to your shirt. It hints at a future where AI is seamlessly integrated, not carried. But right now, it feels like a brilliant draft, not a finished product. My smartphone remains securely in my pocket, slightly smug, significantly more capable, and blissfully, reassuringly cool to the touch. The future might eventually be pin-shaped, but for now, the king of connectivity isn't sweating its tiny titanium challenger. Past the aloe vera and my phone, I need to Google Fireproof undershirts. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.